Of course. Ayun, okay. So, sorry guys, meron silang pa-advance kasi. Pero
Hindi,
if
wala
ever,
pa yung egg.
Wala pa yung
I mean,
egg.
the actual curry chicken.
Curry chicken. Pero wala pa yung with egg.
Wala pa yung with
Wala
egg.
pa yung egg. O baka a new addition, new flavor.
And then,
But,
ngayon dadating yung egg.
perfect!
Really?
Oh, halika na. Hindi, biro lang. But I know you have been reacting so animatedly since earlier.
Palong-palo nga ako, sorry guys, this is my prime. I mean this time, itong time of the
Morning
day.
talaga.
Actually, yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
Now, gusto namin malaman, what was your first impression when you first tasted the golden curry fillet?
Actually, for some reason, because we have a store in Binyan, so
Shout out, Laguna Friends.
sa Binyan Highway. And then, sabi ko, ano tong bago? Sabi ko dun sa MD namin. And then, I asked him to send me the new product. Tapos, for some reason kasi, ewan ko, huling-huli talaga. Kahit nung chicken fillet alaking pa lang, when it started, yung flavor ng sauce kasi yung magdadala sa curry talaga. So, when I tasted that, sabi ko, okay, ito masarap, matamis. Pero sa dulo, nandun yung anghang, which is not that, yung kick ko, sipa lang siya, hindi siya talagang overpowering. So eventually, nag-experiment na ako with the sauce. Trinay ko na siya sa McChicken, ginawa ko na siyang dip ng McNuggets,
Oh.
nilagay ko na siya sa, kasi meron akong Alden's combo when it comes to McDo eh. So I order a quarter pounder with everything in it. Tapos I order 6-piece nuggets, kakainin ko yung 3 pieces. Tapos yung 3 pieces, lalagay ko sa, I open the bun, I put it on top. Then before kasi, barbecue sauce. Ngayon, trinay ko yung curry sauce and then I press down on it. So it's like an Alden special quarter pounder. So that's how I do it. So ganun, ang daming use ng sauce. Kaya lang, I don't know how long it will last, Ives, pero sana patagalin kasi type ko to eh, so far.
Meron ba pa-reveal on how long? Will it stay for a while?
It will be here for a while.
Oh, wow.
Tara pa.
And guys, if gagawin nyo yung secret recipe ni Alden, can you also tag him, Alden's, ano yung tawag mo doon?
Alden special. Pero actually
Alden
guys,
special.
for everyone's knowledge, there's a secret menu po. You just have to ask your tama, di ba?
McDonald's branch.
McDonald's, let's say sa drive-thru or sa counter, ilalabas nila yun. Since it's a secret menu, hindi talaga siya nilalagay sa normal menu ng mga stores. But if you ask for it, they will show it to you. Dami dyan, surf and turf, double chicken sandwich, what have you. Surprise, sa lahat, sa lahat.
Ayun yung if you know, you know.
Yes, search
Wow.
nyo sa online, secret menu, lahat ng McDonald's. All over the world meron nun.
And can I just say, alam ng mga